In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale an image using Leonardo AI, a fast and intuitive tool for enhancing your images with artificial intelligence. If you're looking to improve the quality of your visuals without losing any detail, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the entire process from start to finish, making it seamless and straightforward for you. First, let's start by heading over to Leonardo AI and logging into your account. If you're new to Leonardo AI, just create an account before we jump into the actual upscaling process. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with a dashboard showcasing your current projects and any previously uploaded images. Navigate around and familiarize yourself with the interface if you need to. Now, the next step is to locate the image you want to upscale. You should see thumbnails of your images, making it easy to scan through and find exactly what you need. If you have a specific image in mind, quickly scrolling through the list or using a search function can help you pinpoint it effortlessly. Once you've found your image, click on the thumbnail. This action will open a detailed view, providing you with a closer look at the image and more options for editing and enhancing it. With the detailed view open, direct your attention to finding the Upscale button or icon. This is typically located alongside other options and is often highlighted due to its importance in image enhancement. Clicking this button will initiate the upscaling process, but before proceeding, you'll have the opportunity to adjust the settings to fit your needs. Choosing the right upscale settings is crucial as it affects the final outcome of your image. Depending on your requirements, you can adjust parameters such as resolution and sharpness, and explore options that best suit the style and quality you're aiming for. Taking the time to explore these settings can make a noticeable difference in the result, so don't hesitate to try different combinations until you find the perfect match for your project. Once you're satisfied with your chosen settings, it's time to start the upscaling process. Click on the Upscale or Generate button. This begins the enhancement operation, which might take a few moments depending on your image's size and the settings you've selected. During this time, you can see the transformation as your image is rendered in higher quality, emerging with more detail and clarity than before. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully upscaled your image using Leonardo AI. Take a moment to compare the before and after, appreciating the clarity and detail brought out by this powerful tool. Whether for personal projects or professional showcases, you now have a high-quality image ready to shine. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy creating stunning visuals with this easy-to-use technology.